Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your password for Directv. While signing in for your Directv account, you've suddenly forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next. So in that case, you can easily reset your password by following a simple step. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Start by clicking open any web browser first. In the address bar at the top, type in directv.com and press enter. From the official website of Directv, click on My Account at the top right and click on Sign into My Account button in the pop-up. Now, in the sign in area, type in your username that is associated with the account. Make sure to type in a valid username, and now, when asked for your password, if you remember the password during the process, type it into the text box. But in case you've forgotten your password and don't remember it at all, click on Forgot Password link right below in order to recover your account or reset your password. Once you click on that button, on the next page, you'll need to enter your user ID again into the first text field. Now, type in your last name. On the next field, click on I'm not a robot and click Continue. In case you don't remember your user ID as well, you can click on this Forgot User ID link. And on the next page, you'll need to type in the email address that you used during the sign-up process for Directv. Once you type in your email, click on I'm not a robot box one more time and click Continue. Now, Directv will send you a reset instruction for your password in your email address that you chose. Simply open up your email, click on the reset link, and you'll be able to reset your password to a new one on the next page if you follow the instructions well. That is how you can easily reset your password for your Directv account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.